In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Pixton, a really cool website that you can use to create an avatar to depict yourself in this virtual space. And so once you go to Pixton.com, you are going to click where it says sign up. And after you click the sign up button, it'll take you to this screen where it says welcome to Pixton, and you should click sign up with Google. The suggestion is that you sign in with your youthprepschools.com account so that you don't have to worry about passwords or anything like that. Once you get signed in, you'll see this screen where it says, let's make your avatar so you can put yourself in a comic. Well, this assignment that we're getting ready to do is not for a comic strip. We'll get to that a little bit later in the quarter, but we're going to make our avatars for our virtual lockers. So go on and click this red button where it says make my avatar. From here, you will select your age, 11 to 14. For the purpose of the example, I am going to do adult because I'm going to make mine. And then you will go in and you will select your gender. From here, I think Pixton does a great job with representation. We have so many different skin tones that we can choose from. You can either use the drop-down menu to select the different areas that you want to customize for your avatar, or you can use the arrow and simply cycle through. Now, of course, you don't have to make your avatar look exactly like you do. You can decide how you want to show up in this virtual space. If you look at the different hair textures, again, this is just another example of how Pixton is doing a great job with representation and different choices to bring out diversity. So you can choose a hairstyle of your choice. And from here, you would cycle through. For the purposes of the tutorial, I'm just going to go through really quickly and not make too many customizations because this is a very easy thing to do. I think we need to spend the bulk of our time on this tutorial making sure that we all know how to download our full body shot of our avatar and then upload that avatar to our Google slide where our virtual locker is. So I'm not really talking through most of these things. I'm going to get to my outfit. They have several from you to choose from. From here, I'm going to go with a bit short and I'll select my pose. I want a pose that will look good with me standing next to my locker. I think I'm going to do the one waving. And so I'm not going to do the head shot. I want the full body. Click full body. And so on your Chromebook, if you click down, you should see your hotbar. For most of you, that's at the bottom of your browser. I know some of you have actually pushed it off towards the left or the right. From here, you will click Files, and then you will go into your downloads in order to be able to access your full body avatar that you've downloaded. And so what I'm going to do now is head over to Schoology and pull up the assignment so that I can work on my virtual locker. So the next thing I'm going to do is click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. I'm going to look in my downloads. Here's the one I created today. And here's my avatar. From here, I could resize it and place it exactly where I want it to be near my locker. And that's it for our tutorial on how to create an avatar on Pixton and add it to your virtual locker.